probably about 150 employees at Daktronics back in 1984 when I started. And I started as a student, so I was going to SDSU as an electrical engineering major. Came out to Daktronics and started working in our customer service repair center area. Back in the day we had incandescent scoreboards, and we had what we called the incandescent driver, the electronics that would drive all the light bulbs. And those were susceptible to lightning and other kinds of issues from the environment. And so we had a lot of these components to fix. And a lot of times it was just like a tunnel to get to the workbench. So all these drivers would be stacked up, and you'd wind your way through find the repair bench and be hidden by all these driver electronics that we had to fix. But yeah, that was a fun time to, again, have that kind of responsibility and learning, you know, about electronics while we were going to school, and to reinforce the classroom. It was very helpful. In 1987, then we landed a contract for the PGA Tour. We had about 3 months to develop a whole new system, and we had new display components, we had new controller hardware, we had software that we had to develop, and we had to make this whole system be able to pack up and fit in the back of a semi. That was intense. 3 months to get it all up and going, and then show up at an event out in North Carolina and show that it worked. It's one of the times that the whole company had to really come together. We would design parts through the afternoon, and the manufacturer would start to build parts, and then we would start to put them together, and our days were long. I remember working in the back parking lot at night, and we had lights turned on, using trouble lights and things. Back at the time we didn't have parking lot lights and things like that, but we had the displays all opened up, and we were crawling around inside of them, adding parts in, modifying parts, and getting the whole system pulled together, and fighting mosquitoes at the same time. And really fortunate that Daktronics was here and had that opportunity.